Have you ever seen this type of chart and wondered what these candles are and how to read them? Welcome to Get Explained channel, and let me explain this to you. Based on the selected time period, each of these candles represent a certain period of time. For example, if you have daily chart selected, each candle represents exactly 1 day. On the other hand, if you have a minute chart selected, each candle represents exactly 1 minute. The same applies to weekly, hourly, and so on candlestick charts. Let's take a look at these candles now. This is the body of a candle. If the candle is green, the opening price of that candle is the lowest point of its body, and the highest point of its body is the final price where our candle closed. The opposite is for red candles. The highest point of the body is the opening price that was at the beginning of that candlestick existence, and the lowest point of the body is the price at which the candlestick closed at the end of our currently selected time period. Ends of these wicks are the boundaries for the price interval where the price reached during our candlestick's existence. The wick end at the bottom represents the lowest reached price of the current time period. The wick end at the top represents the highest reached price of the current time period. Let's say we have daily candlestick chart selected. In the first second of the day, the candle opened at this price level, and in the last second, the price was closed at this level. And throughout the day, the price consolidated between the ends of these wicks. You can also see that if you have two candles next to each other, the opening price of the second candle must always be at the same level as the closing price of the first candle. Although, it should be mentioned that this only works for something that is constantly being traded, something like Bitcoin or any currency in general. The stock market, for example, doesn't trade on weekends, and something like this can happen. These are called gaps, but that's topic for a completely new video. Thank you guys for watching. Every like and subscribe is greatly appreciated. If there's anything you'd like to have simply explained, let me know in the comments. Goodbye.